6 respondents in the matter, including Adsiec'S, Yola South Returning Officer, ANPP, ACN, PDP, Ahmed Waziri, and 1 other, filed different preliminary objections. Chairman of the tribunal, Babakano Abubakar, who delivered a single ruling to discharge all the preliminary objections filed by the respondents, said, "Time is of essence to the tribunal." The Congress for Progressive Change, however, failed to resolve the dispute concerning representation, as 2 lawyers again appeared before the tribunal and claimed they were representing the party. Legal officer of the party, Anas Naendeti, maintained that CPC has debriefed the Sylvester Imanube firm that until now represented it when the suit was instituted, and explained that a letter of disengagement signed by the party's secretary has since been issued to them. Sunday Joshua, on his part from the said law firm, insisted that only the national secretariat of the party, who hired them in the first instance, had the right to fire them. The tribunal chairman expressed dismay over CPC's failure to resolve the disputes and threatened to dismiss the case if by February 5th, when the matter will come up for hearing, they do not put their house in order. The counsel, who was supposedly sacked, speaks on Tuesday's ruling as well as the confusion over representation.
The petitioner must not be a slave of technicalities. Substantial justice must be meted out. Here, we are not contesting or challenging the result of the election. We are challenging the process that produced the result. If the pregnancy is defective, the baby cannot be all right. So the court resolved this ground in favor of the petitioner. The second ground as well, where the issue of jurisdiction, that is the third ground, the issue of jurisdiction. The tribunal has jurisdiction to entertain this matter, and it's so resolved in favor of the petitioner. There are 2 letters, one from the other faction saying that they want to withdraw the petition. When it was evident that that letter cannot be accepted, and they were told that you cannot withdraw a petition you did not file, they brought another letter that they are changing counsel. So you can see the voice of Jacob and the hand of Esau in this game. But we are steadfast and we are moving on. We are now going ahead with our inspection. We are going ahead with our inspection. Tomorrow we are going to Adsiec'S. Let them produce ballot papers that the court gave them order to, so that we'll be able to defend our petition. That is all.
Ayo Akam, who represents the first respondent, also speaks on the ruling.
Notice of preliminary objection, which we as counsel to the respondents filed to challenge the jurisdiction of the tribunal. Well, the tribunal's view is that it has jurisdiction to hear the matter. Our contention was that it has no jurisdiction, on the ground that Section 55, subsection 1 of the electoral law of Adamawa State says that only candidates at the election can present a petition. It also says that it is somebody who can say that he had a right to contest the election, or he had a right to be returned elected, that can present a petition. A political party is not mentioned there. So but the view of the tribunal is that a political party can still present a petition. On that basis, our objection was overruled.
The tribunal's reign is expected to elapse on February 7, 2013. Blessing to know. Go Tell News.